Hey everyone, and welcome back to another quick tech how-to video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to recover your Spotify account without an email or password. First, you're going to go to Google and type in Spotify contact form. From there, you're going to click the first link down here, scroll down to message us, and then it's going to ask you to sign in. Now, this is where most people get stuck. There's actually various ways to sign into Spotify. A good idea is to link all of your social medias together, which would allow you to log in with Facebook, Apple, Google, all sorts of apps that can help you log in without an email or anything like that. But say you forgot your password, you don't remember if you linked all these, you don't have your email address, log in. So just click forgot your password. And then if obviously you don't have the username or anything like that, you're going to hit Spotify support. You can hit send message and it'll bring a Spotify support bot on the right. And you basically just type in anything you're having problems with, and this gives you kind of like a 24/7 live way to have help for any problem you're having logging in. So this is a very helpful way to get a response quickly. As you can see at the top, they are getting a lot of contacts, so they may be slower to respond, but I think this is a much smarter way to go about it than to just send a message or an email and just wait days on end for a response. And this way is actually only available on the browser version, I believe. The mobile version, it gives you like a message that you would send and you kind of explain what happened. But that's how to recover your Spotify account without an email or a password. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe down below.